This is so intense! Don't go in there! Why are they doing that? Did you hear that? Was that green light always there? Should we check it out? Let's go! Shh. I think you should go first. Do I have to? Oh. Monster treats? Cool.
Oh.
I think we should have some. Whoa! Wow. This is awesome! Yes. Are you ready? Ooh. This looks interesting. Wow, look at me! I'm a doctor! I'm gonna try it. It's so tasty. I love it! You need to try this. I might pass on that. Mindy? Are you okay? I said try it! No! Think you can run, huh? Stay away! Get back here! Help! Where did she go? Shh! You haven't seen me! I'll find you! Phew, that was a close one. I told you, you can't escape. Oops! I should've looked behind me. Huh? It was all a dream? Did you hear me? You need to try this. Oh, right. I almost forgot. Look at this! Wow! I hope it's strawberry flavor. Here goes. It's so yummy! It's amazing! Let's have some more! Good idea! I wonder what we have this time. I'm going first. Huh? Why do I have a map? Oh, I get it! It's a treasure map! Okay, I'm here. I better start looking. Oh, that looks like the spot. Treasure hunting is hard work. Yes! I did it! I found the treasure! I'm gonna be so rich! I don't believe it! This is better than gold! Whoa. It smells so good. Well, I hope it's something nice. Huh? I got an iPhone! Whoa! I'm in a video game! Oh, look at all this fruit! This is fun! I should play this more often. Oh, we're back! That looks yummy. I'm gonna try this jelly ball. I hope it tastes as good as it looks. This is the best! Wow, lucky you. Which fruit should I try first? The lemon looks like a good place to start. Here I go! It tastes just like juice! It's delicious! I could drink this all day. Okay, now for this one. Yum! Can I go first? Go for it! What? There's nothing here! Whoa! Pizza! It gets better! A candy pizza! My two favorite things! This is more like it! I'm so jealous! French fries? Well, that's disappointing. I was hoping for something else. I know. My summer camp at Hogwarts will finally come in handy. Let's do this. This is my mom's best soup pot, so keep it quiet. This is a little dramatic, Lily. In goes the poppet. And the fries. I'll stir it with my magic wand. I mean spoon. Snackus Appearus. It's working! Do you even know what you're doing? Whoa! Check this out! Poppet fries! Mmm, they're so chewy! I should do this more often. So, what else can you do? This is so exciting! Together, go! Not again. Maybe we could… Lily? Look! What is it? Oh!
Zap. Here you go. Bon appetit.
What is it? Hey! Oh well, I suppose I should have a look. Is that… worms? Ah! Oh my gosh! I'm glad that's not my dish. Wait. That's not real worms and mud. It's gummy worms and chocolate! I like this. It's like eating spaghetti. But I still don't have anything. Hey! Hey! Yoo-hoo! Whoa! This is so cool! It's an alien head! I knew aliens were real! Sorry, my dish is better, Lily. No problem. I'm taking an eye, though. This looks tasty. It tastes as good as it looks. Eat it, go on. Sure. I'll give it a go. It's heavy. And big. I hope I don't get beamed up by a UFO. Wow, it's great! It's out of this world! Ha! Nice! Hold on, I'm gonna eat some more worms. I can't wait for this! Go ahead! Oh, come on! This is getting annoying. Oh well, it's my turn. A shell? Wow, this is different. I wonder if I can hear the sea. Hello? Oh, a call. Hello? Is this really a mermaid? Oh my gosh, this is so cool! Can you send me a gift? No problem. Time for some mermaid magic. Lily is gonna love this. This is the best day ever! Wow! Thank you! It's so beautiful! There's something in there. Aw, it's so cute! I need to try it. I love seafood. I see food and I eat it. I need more. You look ridiculous. Smile. Oh, you didn't! That's so embarrassing! Let me see that. Oh, I look awful. You need to delete them. It's just some fun. Hey! Fine, I'll wipe them. Give me my phone. Hey, calm down. That's it. Let go! What happened to my phone? No way! That's so funny! It smells like candy. It's so yummy! At least you can't take any more embarrassing photographs. We hope you enjoyed our jelly food challenge. What food would you like to try? Don't forget to share this video with your friends and remember to subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one.